Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time, as you can see, we have Pagani Design, the first one on the channel. I was trying to get one of their watches basically for the past couple of weeks, and I found this one that I really liked, and I found a good offer on it, so I bought it. So I thought I would show everybody. So basically what you get is a basic box, and here we have what I got. The Pagani Design in GMT. So basically a 1655 Homage. Not even the Homage for this one, the 16570, which is really nice. I really like it, but this one, the 1655, the Rolex one, starts around 18,000 euros. That's the cheapest one I found. So by getting this one, I'm definitely saving a lot of money. I have to say, first impressions, really good build quality, well packed. The straps feels hefty and solid, little bit of wiggle, and solid buckle. Couple of micro adjustments. They're on the fly, no. And we have also ticking starts. So let's start with basic specifications. You get, like I said, the box, the cards, tool to change the straps with, and you get a watch that is 42 millimeters in diameter, lug to lug 50, thickness of around 30.5, let's say, and you have running inside an NH35, which they call a Pearl DJ5833A. Might be a clone of the NH34, I'm not sure because of the price. And on the bracelet, it's 180 grams. You have sapphire crystal and, like I said, GMT function on a solid 24-hour bezel, fixed bezel. Take the sticker off and maybe get the bracelet off the watch, because you all know me, I'm not a fan of these bracelets. I'll take the bracelet off, put it on a strap, and get back to you. So I got this orange strap, so I thought I'd put it on it. Matches the orange GMT hand. So it has hand winding. Let's see if it has hacking. It has hacking. And when you change the time, GMT hands changes as well. And that's accurate. Let's see if the date, yeah, that's the NH35, 34, sorry, kind of movement. One way the date, the other way the GMT hand. Screw down crown, 200 meters of water resistant. For the price of the watch, I wouldn't think it's really 200 meters water resistance, but I think for normal swimming, I think it's okay. I would make a video about how this watch compares to this one after wearing it for a couple of weeks, how it will look on my wrist. Let's see how this watch will look on my wrist. Here we go. 17.1 centimeter wrist. This is how this looks. Oops, I put the minutes hand exactly on the logo. The seconds hand jump sometimes, minutes hands as well, as you can see, but to be expected for the price. I think I'll leave all the other descriptions, or let's say my review, in the review video. Nice etching on the back, Pagani Design, water resistance, the reference number PD 1693, stainless steel, but basically this is the homage for the Explorer 1655. You just took the Rolex badge out, put the Pagani Design, and you have the exact same watch. I do think this is much better to buy something like this than to buy a fake Rolex. And I'll tell you why. Because at least if they're copying the design, they're not telling that they are something different. So you could be wearing something like this, and somebody from far away would be thinking, ah, he's wearing a Rolex, right? But as soon as they see it in up close, they would see something different than the Rolex crown on the 12 o'clock. On another part as well, depending on where you are taking your watch, I've heard stories about people wearing a fake Rolex and they got killed for it. So maybe wearing an Homage on an expensive watch and somewhere, let's say, sketchy, might not be the best idea. Anyways, don't want to end it on a low note, but if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. You find the subscription button here, and you might find these two videos on the left and on the right interesting as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.